as the beginner, the first thing that you need to do is identify the hook size that you need for the yarn that you're using. So the fundamental principle to use here is that if you're using a thicker yarn, you opt for a thicker crochet hook, and if you're using a thinner yarn such as this one, which is a cotton crochet yarn, then you opt for thinner or finer hooks like these. I'm using a 3mm 3-ply wool yarn, which is something you can identify by twisting it in the opposite direction, and you can see the number of threads that are wrapped around to make this single yarn. By twisting it in the opposite direction and seeing the number of threads involved is going to help you identify the ply of the yarn. For a 3mm yarn, the ideal hook size would either be a 2.5mm or a 3mm hook. Now to start a project, the first thing that you need to do is either to start with a chain circle, for which I've already posted a tutorial, or go for a magic ring. I'm going to now show you the process for making a magic ring. You take the yarn, you wrap it around 2 of your fingers, you take it and twist it in the opposite direction, insert your hook through the loop that you've created, pull the yarn, and that is how you begin the magic ring. Now to secure the magic ring, what you need to do is take the working yarn and wrap it around your index finger, hold the magic ring with your thumb, and then insert the crochet hook, pull the yarn, and then yarn over and pull it through the loop. This is where you've made a chain, and now your magic ring is secured. Stay tuned for part 2.